Burgers are ready, are they ever? Coming right up on Weekend at the Cottage. Welcome to Weekend at the Cottage. I'm Nick Manojlovic. Before I introduce a burger extravaganza, please allow me to remind you to visit weekendatthecottage.com. When you're there, please subscribe to our website. After that, you're probably watching this video on YouTube, and if you are, subscribe to our YouTube channel, drop us comments, thumbs up if you like our videos, and also click the bell button for notifications. Finally, why not have a conversation with the incredible Carol Bogazzi? My business partner is handling all of our social media on Pinterest, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. The idea for this story is all about taking burgers and upping them into an extravaganza. I'm going to share 5 wonderful ideas for toppings you might want to add to your burgers the next time you go to make them. Before I begin, a real quick discussion about the burgers. These are store-bought beef burgers. When you're preparing your burgers, grill them off as directed. You want to make sure those centers are perfectly cooked. Next thing is all about the buns. Use your favorite hamburger buns. One trick I learned years ago is to take your buns, toast them before you add your burger, and then add a little bit of butter. It makes your burgers extra luxurious. Okay, on to our 5 suggestions for the ultimate burger toppers. Let's begin with number 1. How about some tropical Splendor? For tropical Splendor, we're starting off with a slaw of kale, cabbage, and red cabbage. Add 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of mirin, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, and then a little bit of soy sauce. Toss that together and you have kind of a sweet, spicy, Asian-inspired slaw. This will go on top of our burgers. Next ingredient is to take a fresh pineapple. We trim away the outer skin, turn it on its side, and then you're gonna need to cut about 1/8 of an inch slices. We want the round of the pineapple to hit the barbecue, and when it does, we're going to grill it along with a jalapeno pepper cut in half and seeded. You grill your pineapple, and then when you turn it over, I'd like you to brush it with a little bit of soy sauce. Every time you turn your pineapple or jalapeno, add a little bit of soy sauce. Once the pineapple is nice and tender, place the jalapeno on top, take it off of the grill. You're ready to assemble your burger onto your toasted bun. Then place the grilled pineapple and the jalapeno. We top it off with that Asian slaw, and this tropical Splendor burger is fantastic. Ready for our second idea? How about our French topper? For our French topper, before you head to the grill, small saucepan about medium-high heat. We're adding 2 tablespoons of butter, and then I cut a white onion quite thin. We're gonna add the onion into the pan along with about 1 tablespoon of fresh thyme. I want you to slowly cook this down and caramelize those onions. Over to grill then, we're grilling our burger, and right before your burger is perfectly cooked, we're gonna add some slices of a classic French cheese. Emmental goes on, lid goes down. Let the cheese melt on top of the burger, and then we're ready to assemble. We have our toasted bun. Take the top of the bun. I want you to give it a swipe of Dijon mustard. The burger with melted Emmental goes onto the bottom of the bun. Add some of those caramelized onions on top, and then imagine placing that lid on it with that Dijon mustard. Our French burger is magnifique. On to number 3, our Italian topper. Before heading to the grill for your Italian topper, I'd like you to take about 2 cups of seeded and chopped tomato into a bowl, 3 cloves of garlic finely chopped, some finely chopped fresh basil. Do a little sprinkle of extra virgin olive oil, some balsamic vinegar, a sprinkle of kosher salt, and then some fresh ground black pepper. You've created a bruschetta, right? Now we head to grill. When the burger goes on, I'm also taking 2 portobello mushrooms. Portobello mushrooms, I yanked out the center cap and then take a spoon to remove those gills. Place the portobello mushrooms on the grill. Do it with the cap side down for the first little bit. Flip them over, grill the other side, and you'll start to see right when it gets nice and soft, we add a handful of grated provolone cheese. Allow that cheese to melt. And now when you're ready to assemble our Italian topped burger, we have our bun. Add your cooked burger. There is that beautiful portobello with melted provolone. Add a few tablespoons of the bruschetta and you have a beautiful topper Italiano. Incredibile. That's incredible in Italian. Our next burger is a tribute to Coney Island. If you want to make a Coney Island hot dog, click up there. You can head to our Coney Island hot dog recipe, but instead, why not put a little bit of Coney Island on your burger? I'm taking some bologna. I'm cutting loaf bologna into about 1/4 inch slices, 1 for each burger. I also have the topper for the burger, which is a chili, and I also have some chopped onions. Cook off your burger, cook off or grill the bologna, and then when you're ready to serve, we have our toasted bun. Place your burger down, place that round of bologna. May I have some chili, please? Look at it steaming and gorgeous. 3 tablespoons, maybe 4 tablespoons of the chili. Do a sprinkle of white onion across the top, and then a squeeze of good old yellow mustard. This is a Coney Island classic topper on top of a burger. It is fantastic. On to our final burger topper. This is our tribute to Canada. So laid back. When you place your burger onto the grill, I'd like you to add a little bit of Canadian pea meal bacon, 2 pieces please, and then how about some sliced Canadian marbled cheddar. When you're ready to serve, toasted bun, the burger with the pea meal bacon and the melted cheese, and then for the top, a little tribute to my Southern Ontario roots, how about some homemade peaches and cream corn relish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fantastic burger toppers. Next time you go to entertain, turn that entertainment into a burger extravaganza. You won't be disappointed. After that, come on back and hang out with Weekend at the Cottage again. We look forward to seeing you soon. I can't decide which one should I try. I'm going for Coney Island. Oh, fantastic.